frame the extended porch roof according to these specs here. Understood. Looks straightforward. And the window placements?
Everything's secure back there. Just finished the straps. We're good to go.
Final tension check. Is that secure on your end? Yeah, solid. All green here. Let's head out. Okay, team, structural integrity is compromised here. Document everything and let's check the hallway next.
What's the assessment on this wall section here?
It's heavily compromised, likely structural failure due to moisture.
Okay, I'm opening the main bedroom door now. Let's see what's inside.
This entire section needs to be remediated. Look at the water damage under the tub.
Yeah.
It's extensive. We need to prioritize stabilization. Okay, accessing the attic stairwell, we've got severe damage to the plaster and significant paint chipping on the risers. As you can see, the water intrusion here is extensive. We've got severe mildew and rot on the sheathing. This whole section needs replacement. The structural integrity here is failing. We've got severe dry rot, cracked panes, and significant water damage along the lower sill. Check the integrity of these beams up here and note the water damage spreading from the dormer windows. Look at the flashing around that chimney. It's completely gone. Yeah, and the fascia boards along the eaves are heavily deteriorated. As you can see, the vines are wrapped tightly around the trim. We've got damaged shingles and significant moss coverage up here. The wood beneath is heavily weathered. We've got significant erosion on the mortar joints. There's heavy staining and vegetation present, so this section here is going to need immediate repointing. Severe deterioration of the fascia boards and significant water streaking below the eaves. Note the condition of the window trim here. Look at this fungal staining under the trim. It's rotted through. The moisture damage goes deep. We're looking at a full replacement of this section. I'm marking this section here as a cleanup priority due to the dense shrubs, and we can stage materials right over there near the curb. All right, watch your back on this one. Coming around with the ladders now. Where do you want these sawhorses set up? All right, team, let's get these ladders and bins off the truck first. Bring the plywood over here by the porch. Okay, let's get started. Mark, you take the porch supports. Sanchez, assess the debris pile over there. We need to prioritize safety zones first. We need this access path cleared now. Mike, focus on that thicket by the porch. All right, stack that heavy timber on the left side first. Got it, boss. Watch your step over here. All right, team, focus the clearing right here. Straight shot to the porch. All right, team, pull that ivy hard. Chip, get those roots cleared by the foundation so we can stack this debris.
Cut that limb next, but be careful of the unstable section near the gutter.
Watch your step on the landing. Okay, easy now, bring it down slow. Almost there, set it down. All right, wood goes here, vegetation on that side. Keep the salvageable pieces separate by the truck. The facade measurements don't match the original blueprints. Look at the sag here on the porch roof. Yeah, that entire section is compromised. We need to secure it before we proceed. All right, clear this section out. Bring that piece over here. Watch the base, it's loose. Careful, it's rotting right here. Pull it towards you. We need to clear this section by noon.
Tighten the left one. Now check the alignment on the center. Looks good, lock it down.
Okay, pull that section free, let it drop. It's coming down, stand clear below. Watch out, clear the bin. Watch it, it's coming down. Clear the area below. All right, guys, keep it moving up there. Clear that section by the chimney next. Right there, that whole section is compromised. Pull it towards the chute. All right, stand clear below. Watch out for that broken wood. Clear this walkway before you stack anything else.
All right, team, this section by the dormer is completely compromised. We need to replace everything within these chalk lines immediately.
Watch that connection point, it's unstable. Bring it down slowly towards the porch. Copy that, steady now, easy. Clear the path below. All right, let's bring that section down now. Stand clear when it hits.
Clear that section now. We need to expose the framing underneath.
All right, watch yourselves, it's coming down. All right, team, let's clear this section next. Watch out for those loose boards on the left. All right, team, focus on these floor joists next. We need to expose the framing completely before the structural engineer arrives. That post is plumb. Good, send the brace home.
The fit here is solid. Let's move to the next section of the sill plate. Start laying that adhesive bead now.
How's the level look? Almost there, give it another half turn on that brace. Looks good, lock it down.
Verify the proportions align with the plans.
Sill height is good.
Okay, trim the sheathing and secure the studs.
Hold it right there. We need to check the alignment on this dormer. Looks symmetrical to the main roof mass, boss. Ready to secure the rafters when you give the word. Hold it steady right there. Yeah, right. Secured. Firing the nail gun now. Check the base connection, make sure it's tight.
The verticality is holding steady. Good work on the cleaning. Keep that pace up.
Check the color consistency on this joint. It looks a shade light. Yeah, I see it. I'll blend in a fresh mix. We need that next panel staged right over here by the eaves. Copy that, bringing it up now. Nail that down, keep it straight. Watch the gap by the dormer. We need a filler piece. All right, cut it now.
Check the water shedding details right there by the eave. We need to install the metal flashing now.
On it. Raise your end slightly. Okay, hold it there. Looks good, lock it in. Keep that line straight. Yeah, roger that. Send another bundle up when you can. Alignment is perfect right there. All right, that's a wrap, gentlemen. Great work today. Final checks on the flashing. Everything's secure up there. Yeah. Looks good down here at the eaves. Chimney solid. Good work, everyone. Wrap it up.
Ensure all seams are completely sealed around the dormer wall.
Yes, sir. We're applying the tape now.
Looks good. We are ready for the cladding.
Make sure the reveal lines stay perfectly level across the porch.
Check the alignment on that corner again. It needs to be flush. Yeah. Okay, moving it now.
Ensure the sealant is applied consistently around this corner. Understood. I'll get the caulking gun ready and start immediately.
That casing needs to be perfectly level. Adjust the bottom left. Okay. Copy that. Moving it now. The fascia alignment looks good up there. Bring the next piece over here. All right, setting it in place now. The contrast between the sage green and the white trim looks perfect right here. Yeah, looks good from up here too. All right, moving to the next section of fascia now. Okay, hold it steady. Is that lined up? Plumb. Looks plumb. Go ahead and nail it off. All right, securing the frame.
Trim secured. Sealant applied. Proportions look right. Nice work, team.
Okay, hold it steady right there. Level is perfect. Nice fit. Send it home. Bring it forward just a touch. Hold it right there. Plumb's good. Lock it down.
This looks right according to the plans. The alignment is perfect. We need to maintain a half-inch joint here and keep this riser perfectly plumb with the porch.
All right, make sure that edge is clean. Look straight from here, boss. Ready for final sweep.
This section here needs to shift 3 inches left to clear the drain.
Copy that. We'll adjust the alignment now.
Run the appliance circuits up through this bay, then drop the lighting down from above.
Got it. I'll start the pull now.
That route looks clean. Secure it right there. Oh, yeah? Copy that. Securing now. Check the thermal coverage on that upper dormer section again. Yep. Looks solid, Commander. This section is looking good. The flatness is holding up well under the raking light.
Ready for the next coat then.
The tone looks good. Very welcoming.
Check the joints on this section. We need that seamless look for the Craftsman style.
Looks solid. Bringing the next planks up now.
The dishwasher cutout